Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial demonstrating how you can upgrade your plan in Pencil Spaces. So when you first log into Pencil Spaces, you'll be started with a pro account as a trial account. This is only for a limited period of time, and after this period subsides, you'll have to decide if you would like to downgrade to our free option, or if you would like to continue with the pro account, or go even further and continue with an enterprise account. So if you would like to look at some of our other account options, I'm just here on the Pencil Spaces landing page, and I'm going to go to the top left-hand side of my screen and select the three dots. From there, I'm going to go to Settings. I'm going to select Billing and Payment. And here I'll be displayed all our different plan options as well as the features each one has. If you would like to continue with a pro account, you can upgrade here. However, if you would like to continue with an enterprise account, you would have to contact our sales team. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button at the bottom left-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.